Spring Reboot is the puzzle event that is currently live on Rollercoin. Let's check out all the tasks and all the rewards that you can get in this puzzle event right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so we have Spring Reboot Puzzle Event. Let's check it all out. On my screen here, you can see the Rollercoin homepage, and we can see that there are just shy of 2 days remaining for the Spring Reboot Puzzle Event. That actually did start 24 hours ago, so in total there were 3 days for this Spring Reboot Puzzle Event. So you've got until this coming Friday to be able to complete all of the tasks in the puzzle event and get all of the rewards, which we can now see right here. So you can see the random pieces here, which I have already started to open up, and we can see a new miner called Flower Power Invasion. The common version of this miner does not give you any percentage bonus, but it does give you 3 petahash in power. And then you can also get the uncommon version and the rare versions. The uncommon version is at level 10. If you click this at the moment, there is a minor mistake here, so there's minor reward, it's not the actual miner name, okay, and a few details which I'm missing, but this is the uncommon version that you can get after you complete 10 tasks, and this is the rare version that you can get after you complete a total of 14 tasks. And remember that these Flower Power Invasion miners cannot be sold, okay? So basically the Flower Power Invasion miner can be merged up into an epic version miner, because you can merge these 2 common miners into an uncommon, that uncommon with the other uncommon after you complete 10 tasks, and then that will give you a rare, and you'll merge that rare with the one that you get after 14 tasks and get the epic, okay? So if we take a look at the merge really quickly, and we go to the minus section and we do Flower Power Invasion, then we can see that if you go from rare to epic, you will go from 21 petahash of the rare to 55 petahash, and from 8% bonus power to 14% bonus power. And it will also require you to have 37 rare hash boards in order for you to be able to do this. So do keep that in mind. And it's also going to cost you a merge fee of 20.7 RLT to be able to do, as you can see right there, okay? So going back to the puzzle event, we can see the list of tasks that you need to complete in order for you to get to the very end of the puzzle event. It's going to be a bit more focused on games this time as well. I have already completed quite a few tasks here, as you can see. So I've done the exchange 1 RLT, I've done win 25 games, I've done open 3 lucky RLT cases, I've done exchange 5 RLT, win 50 games, open 9 lucky cases, and exchange 12 RLT so far, okay? So what is remaining is win 200 games now, and open 18 lucky RLT cases, exchange 22 RLT, win 300 games, open 32 lucky cases, exchange 34 RLT, open 54 lucky RLT cases, and exchange 54 RLT, and last but not least, open 78 lucky RLT cases, okay? So when you're opening lucky RLT cases, you're also in for the chance to be able to win more RLT if you're lucky enough as well, okay? So it might not be all that bad when you're opening those lucky RLT cases. When you're doing the exchanges, try and avail yourself from discounts that are going on. At the moment, at the time of recording this video, we've got a 25% discount on Solana and a 25% discount on Ethereum, and those have another 2 days remaining, just shy of 2 days remaining, which coincide with the time of the puzzle event as well, okay? So you've got the entire puzzle event to use those discounts to be able to get more RLT for spending less of your crypto and completing these tasks easier, because you'll be getting more RLT, okay? So you'll be exchanging more RLT and you have spent 25% less, okay? So That is just awesome as well. We can see also a new miner here that I've never seen before called Mecha Fly Trap. So I'm not entirely sure if it's totally new, but this is the first time I'm seeing it. 540 terahash, 1% bonus power, and I've already got one already that was revealed from the random piece. Also remember that for each and every task that you do complete from the list here, you will be opening a random piece and you'll go up one place in the progression bar here at the top. Okay, the first reward in the progression bar, as usual, is temporary bonus power. This time it's 1 petahash. There was also this miner, which is the air mattress miner, I believe it's called. Okay, and there is also this miner as well. Okay, so I can't remember the name exactly, but Rollercoin hopefully will fix this miner bug here and actually place the proper names and details of the miner there as well. Okay, and you can see all the other rewards here. You've got some RST, and there were some other pieces that I've already opened up here myself as well. Okay, so all in all, this is a pretty powerful puzzle event because you can actually merge up to that epic. Just keep in mind the merge fee and the parts that you will need to actually be able to merge the Flower Power Invasion epic version of the miner. You could always keep a version of each miner. I wouldn't keep the common one because it's got no percentage bonus whatsoever. But if you keep the rare version and then keep the uncommon version, then you've got some percentage bonuses there as well. But you will obviously be taking up more space in your room and on your racks as well, because you'll have two miners, one very powerful miner as well. So that is pretty much it for the Spring Reboot Puzzle event. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button, hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. Until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.